Remove the trim cover behind the mirror. Remove the trim panel around the door handle. Using a trim tool, pry out and remove the manual lock mechanism. Remove the two 7mm screws that hold the door panel into place. Use a 7mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Remove this plastic cover using a trim tool or a pick. Remove the T20 Torx screw using a T20 Torx bit, ratchet, and extension. Remove this plastic pin using a trim tool or a pick. Make sure the door lock is in the rearward position. You can then remove your door panel. Press the reflector out and disconnect the electrical connector using a pick tool. Remove the electrical connectors from the window switch by pressing in on the tabs on each of them. Pull the gray tab on the main connector, then disconnect it from the window switch. Pull back the weather shielding and remove the plastic pins using a trim tool. Remove the three 10mm nuts with a socket, ratchet, and extension. Be sure to support the mirror while you remove the last nut. Press in on the two tabs and remove the mirror from the vehicle. Feed the wires through and install your new Trail Ridge mirror. Reinstall the three 10mm nuts and tighten them down with your socket, ratchet, and extension. Reinstall the wire clips. Run the wire through the weather shielding and put it back into place. Reconnect all of the electrical connectors. Reconnect the marker and press it back into the panel. Reinstall the door panel. Reinstall the plastic door pin. Reinstall this trim panel. Reinstall the trim panel around the door handle. Reinstall the two 7mm screws. Tighten them down with a 7mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Make sure the lock mechanism is in the lock position and press it back into the door panel. Reinstall the T20 Torx screw and the plastic cap.